Hi everyone. My class 10 la science law say chapter 1 that is chemistry portion. My last video divi explain kurishu the same chapter hi to ajibi utula alop continue kuro and then ekta nutun topic sawana. तो आज ती फर्स्ट असे कुछ बोले तो ती part 1 और part 2 भी एक बार साइल हुई ना कि लोग आज ला ती पालो understand करो ले and also like what we are going to discuss today is in the last video we have learned like chemical equations किन्या form करो लगे ना exam दे किन्या issue ले किन्या balance करो लगे double hand form करो लगे ना कुछ तो ना तो आज दो हम सावले से कि exam देना chemical equation though two type the first one is like you will get a direct question, okay? You'll get a direct question like how we have practiced in the last video na kina mo equation na to get reaction dibo na or to balance ko like you have to form the table and then balance it na normally in exam like there might be a question where you will get only the words, okay? Khali words it dibo ta na so here you have to form your own equation and then balance it na. So like example na tahan to khali wording ni diwo na example like barium chloride reacts with sulfate aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and a precipitate of barium sulfate form and balance the equation na. First we have to form the equation to balance, right? So that is how we by chance do chemical formula hanjana na ina to inaksule to kina likhole paro na to kina equation form kole paro. So what I'm trying to say here is that like try growing now the chemical formula hando practice kole like sob to practice ko na like aste pari jo na naliyo some basic na some important one pishi use kuit hawla na example like chloride na aluminum iron na or carbon dioxide oxygen ito halado like fingertips te rakhi na easy to pat ahala na like hotai ai hala na or in a type ekta question thago ina shule do muwa kanishna first man idu chemical equation do form go lage idu balance or idu do muhan sawana mu bala detail de likhina dikhai dibo and then our second achievement ki hikule ase gushido types of chemical reaction hikule asna types of chemical reaction de charta type thagide first one de do combination reaction the second one is decomposition reaction, the third one is displacement reaction, and the third one is double displacement reaction there actually to charta type pi sawam han and then to continue kuri lo na jila topic tem han utu sawa like by just word they actually kinya likho lage na takani reaction equations kan ko ni diwana they will give you only in words so idu kinya ko le say it was start to sawa na ngawina udu charta wi salo. Let's get to the example. See, barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and a precipitate of calcium sulfate. See, form and balance the equations. So, like they won't give you the equation, you have to form it by your own, okay? So, the question is like we have to form the equation and then balance, right? So let's form the equation first. So barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate, right? So barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate to give aluminum chloride and barium sulfate, right? Barium sulfate. So here we have written the equations. Now the other step is we have to form the table. I hope you guys remember, like we have to always form the table before we do any equations, before we find equations. So like I have said, we have to make 3 columns. One is for the elements and then the another is initial and reactant. Initial and reactant. See, the left side is always the I'm so sorry, here will be the final. Yes, see, the left side will always be the reactant and the right side will always be the product, okay? So the reactant is the initial and the product is the final, okay? And here will be the element's name. So there are 5 elements, that is barium, chloride, aluminum, sulfate and oxygen. So we made the 5 table we made it. And then now we have to see how many are present in each initial and final reactant and the product. So barium, we can see 1 and 1 each, right? So 1 and then what is the another one? We can see the chloride, that is how much? 2, and here 3, and then aluminium we can see here 2, and then here 1, and then sulfate we can see here 3, and then there we can see 1, right? And then oxygen we can see here 4 into 3 is how much? 12, right? And here we can see oxygen 4, so 4. After looking at the equations and we can in the table, we can see that if we make like 3 BaSO4, then the sulfate and the oxygen is balanced, right? Sulfate and the oxygen is balanced, but the barium is imbalanced again here. It is 3 now. The barium is 3 barium, right? So the barium is imbalanced. See, I'll tell you one thing. You can do it in so many other way. Like you can add in aluminium, or you can add in other elements too. Okay, but I'm doing it the easiest way, which you will find it easy. And then so like, since the barium is imbalanced, let's make it 3 BaCl, okay? And now the barium is balanced, right? See, it's 3 BaCl and then 3. But Cl is imbalanced again now. Chloride is imbalanced now again. Chloride is 6 now, right? Now 6. See? Chloride is 6. 2 into 3 is 6, right? So chloride is imbalanced now again. So what we have to do is, we have to make 2 aluminum chloride, okay? Then now we can see that all the reaction is balanced here. The aluminum will be 2 and the chloride will be 6. So it is balanced now, right? So the questions, you will get questions like this. I said, right, there will be 2 types of question. The first one is like you will get like this, okay, directly, and just you have to form the table, and then you have to make it equal in both the side. But the other question is you will get only this question, and you have to make these equations to by yourself, reactions to by yourself, okay? So it is very important for you to know the chemical formula. So like, if you get a chance, please try to learn and memorize all the formulas, chemical formulas, okay? So now let's get to the next topic, that is types of chemical reactions. There are 4 types of chemical reactions. Let's see one by one, okay? See, the first one is combination reaction, okay? What is combination reaction? It is 2 or more compounds or elements, they react and then they form only one product, okay? See, if the actual definition, you can write like this: reactions in which 2 or more substances, elements or compounds, alright, combine to form a single product, okay? See, A and B plus they form, and then they give only one product, right? So remember, like I told you the 5 characteristics of chemical reactions, right, with the examples. So we can use the same example. We can use the 2 examples here. See, H2 plus O2 give H2. There is 2 reactants and 1 product, right? And here CaO plus H2O gives Ca under bracket OH and then 2 whole 2, right? See. So here there are 2 reactants and 1 product. So like I told you last time, like don't forget the some examples, because you can use that one examples multiple times, okay? And then now the another type is this combination reaction, right? Yeah. The another one is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction, see, here it is completely opposite, okay? It is completely opposite with the combination reaction. It is completely opposite with the combination reactions. Here, see, only one reactant gives two or more products, okay? Only one products, only one reactants. See, reactions in which a single reactant breaks down to form two or more compounds, all right? But see, to break anything, we need energy. So there are like three types of decomposition reactions in which the energies are in which it is formed, okay? Number one is thermal, source of energy, heat, okay? Number one, see. Here, the thermal components, here the energy, okay? I said, right, to break anything we need energy. So there are two, there are three types of energy, okay? There are three types of thermal decomposition reactions. So in the first one, thermal, the source of the energy here, the energy is in the form of heat, okay? In the form of heat. So it will help, okay? It will help to divide. See, Ca. At first it is CaCO3, right? But after the heat is passed, it is divided into two. That is CaO plus CO2, right? See, the second one is, like I said, don't remember here, like to break anything we need energy. So in decomposition reactions, there are three types of okay? There are three types of decomposition reactions, okay? So see, there are three. The second one is electrolytic. Source of energy is electricity, okay? So here the energy supply, energy passed is electricity. See, H2O, right? With the water, I hope you know, with the water electricity, electrolytic, it breaks and forms H2 plus O2. So with the help of electricity, H2O is divided into two, right? The third one is photochemical, that is source of energy, sunlight, okay? Sunlight is the source of energy here, okay? See, AgCl with the help of sunlight breaks into Ag plus Cl2. So please remember all these three things, okay? And then okay, displacement reactions. In this type of reactions, like in the reactant side, you will see only two, okay? Where one is like metal, the another one is compound, okay? In this compound, anionic and cationic part will be there, right? Anionic and cationic part will be there. Cationic part, okay, this cationic part will always be metal, okay? And then what happens in these reactions is like questions, right? What happens in this? See, B and C, okay? And anionic and cationic part will break up, right? They will break up. B and C will break up. Anionic and cationic will break up, and metal. See, okay, and metal part, which is single, right? Which is single. Anionic will take it. See, they will take it and they will form a bond, whereas C will be single. B will be single, I mean, yeah. B and C breaks the bond. A forms the bond with C, and B will remain with B, okay? The next example, to make you much more understanding is here, okay? Metal. The single metal is Fe, okay? Fe. The single metal is Fe, and the compound part of anionic is SO4, okay? Is SO4, and the cationic part is Cu. Cationic part is Cu, okay? Cationic part will always be metal. See here, the Fe forms. See example. I'll just see you. See even here, they breaks their bond, and Fe takes and forms a bond with SO4, right? And Cu will be alone. And also, like, just to make you sure, I'll give you another example, that is and CuSO4 then SO4 plus Cu. See, right? I hope you understand. See, even these two, they break the bond, and so Zn forms a bond with SO4, and Zn SO4 and Cu will be alone, right? And definition you can write like reactions in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. I'll repeat, okay? Reactions in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its compound. Okay, see, remember, don't forget this definition and keep in mind because you will need it in another example, in another chapter. See, in example, they might they might ask you to identify the reactions, okay? Like identify the reactions they will give you, and they will tell you to identify the question, identify the reactions. But sometimes like they might also ask the definition along with example, right? So like try to learn the definition along with examples, okay? And also the third one is the fourth one is double displacement reactions, right? Double displacement, same things happen here. Wait, I'll give you a slight example, a small example, okay? See, okay, I'll just do it here, okay? Remember this example, right? Sorry, now along our any friend just an example they do double displacement reaction garena puchule along our any taijin best friend Peter Lia best friend nilwe taijin la beach de misunderstanding ushe or taijin la beach de misunderstanding ushe to along do Lia lushe or Peter do any lushe na taijin takan exchange ushe their best friend na taijin best friend ushe or taijin best friend ushe. So there is not double displacement reaction, same things happened, okay? At first AB plus CD na letter A arrow D friend hujai arrow B arrow C friend hujai na. Okay. Example na, see at first in the reactant side, okay, there are two compounds na, like there is one anionic and one cationic, and after reactions they exchange with each other. Na Cl de Lucia arrow Ba do SO4 na. See, example dikhaw na BB NO3 to whole 2 BB N2 plus K3 na ishna B do BB do I lo de react kore aru K do NO3 lo de na ina exchange kore tahan. So in exams like they will ask you only types, but in case if they ask you with examples, so please learn at least one example, okay? And then like remember one hint, okay? This hint, always remember this hint. Cations are written before and anions are written after, or are written in the end after the cation of a compound, okay? Example XY here. X is cation, S it is written before Y. See? The first one is cation and the second one is anion. Okay? Also remember. So for today's lesson, that's it. We will see another topic in the next video. Thank you. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment.